and they are working on public speaking skill, especially English speaking skill. So I have a question for all of them. They all are youth, and are the nation children on a right path or not? Let's know from different people what do they think about that. So let's begin with Mohit. Yes, come. What do you think that the nation kids are on a right path or not? Go.
So according to my point of view, that the today's nation kids are really not in a right path, because as you guys can see that everywhere the negativity is always here or stands always here with the those people that who are working too much hard. And today's era and today's youth is going toward the negative places. For example, Instagram, lot of things are here, and even they are going with their negative friend, those who are taking the different kind of
So
things.
thank you.
So I think that the youth of this nation are not on the right path, because nowadays the youth, they are too distracted, and also they are too selfish about themselves, and they do not care about the public and the other people, and also about their country, because most of them, they try for good jobs just for them to go abroad into other foreign countries, and they do not care about this nation. So because of that, the nations is not progressing, and the youth of the nation, they do not care about this nation at all.
Youth of this nation is not in a right path, because nowadays social media is impacting old and teenagers, especially teenagers, and like they cannot focus on their studies, and if they want to achieve their goals they cannot. And if someone are like they are not addicted to phone, the education system is getting worse. And like if someone want to become IITN or IAS, so it create pressure on the teenager.
Thank you.
The youth of this nation in the wrong path, because the youth of this nation take the wrong decision in the small and minor age, and that can harm the society and ourselves also. And in the age of studying and doing anything for the nation, they are taking the toxic substances that can harm our body, and they are relying on the others to and do not do.
Thank you. Most of kids think that they are not on a right path. The kids nation kids are not right path. They are, most of people are believing. How many of you not believe that they are not on a wrong path? How many of you believe that they are on a right path? Who would like to speak on right path? They are on a also right path. Anybody who wants to speak on right path? Yes, please come. You think they are on a right path? Yes.
Youth of this nation are on the right path, because they also do hard work, and other people did not see that they are doing many much hard work. And many children are also studying full of their doing their effort and giving initiative to study, and also giving many time to the studies and doing well in their life.
Okay, let's call upon next person. Do you want to speak on a right path? Yes, please come.
The youth of the nation is on the right path, because most of the students are know about that is a good path or that is a bad path. They are know about the struggle. They know about that, the struggle of power. They know that in this field there is struggle, so they are going, and they are know this is a good and source of earning. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's call upon from you guys. Anybody wants to speak about right path? They are on a right path. Yes, Priyanshu, please come. What do you think? Are they on a right path or not?
Yes, they are on the right path.
Right path. Let's go.
Yes, they are on the right path, because now time they all know about that how to handle situations, because now time there's many more time to do what that situation is there. So in that time they very well know about it, how to clear the situation, how to surpass the situations. And now time people also work for the NEET, GA, and they also become a IITN. That's why they help us for economic sector. That's why they work on the health sector. Any sector they are work. That's why I'm saying that our youth is on the right path also.
The majority kids are on a right path. You are saying that. Like you guys are practicing English and public English speaking skill. You guys are working hard for yourself. So maybe we can say that you guys are on a right path. So yes, go. And who would like to speak? Yes, let's call upon Arun Patil. Yes, come. What do you think that are they on a right path or not?
Wrong.
Wrong path. Go.
The kids are on a wrong path, because they have a lot of addiction, and those students who are doing hard work, so those who are not doing hard work, they also make them also in a addiction, and they are a lot of addiction, and they are when they get young, so they leave our nation and settle in any other nation, and because of it this nation is not growing, and they are in a wrong path.
Okay. So yes, Karthik, what do you think? Come close. Yes, what do you think?
Sir, on wrong path.
Yes, speak.
Are you the youth of this nation is on wrong path because they only focus about, they don't go in the society and know what is going in the society, and after when they grow up they don't know how to go in the society on the roads, and they don't know how to do anything outside, and they only focus on the games.
Chali, let's call upon Ayush. Please come. Yes, 30 second. Go.
This youth are in a wrong path because this youth are not nation kids are lot of negativity and no they don't
How can you say that?
sir because I see that
बोलो क्या बोल
like most of the time I see that they can learn any classes and they can play game in between, and in the corona comes most of the people and this youth are also not think about others, like if there are any road accident people are make video, not call ambulance to go take the patient.
Thank you. Chaliye, let's call upon Aditi. Please come. Yes, according to you, what do you think?
They are on the wrong path. The youth of this nation is on the wrong path because some are distracted by today's technology and some are under a pressure of today's education system. Because of that, they are taking actions like some are in depression, anxiety, stress, and many more problems they are facing today.
Thank you. So that's all about their opinion. They think mixed opinion that some people believe that they are on a right path. Some people believe on that they are not on a right path. So what do you think? You can comment down and we'll meet you in the next debate. Till then, bye. Take care.